Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I've been using for years. It's Nair face cream. I have tried other products. I've tried like Sally Hansen hair remover face cream as well, and I just feel like this one is the best. This removes the hair better than the other ones that I've tried. So basically it's a face cream. It's moisturizing for thorough hair removal. It has long-lasting visible smoothness. It is easy, fast, and pain-free. And it's made with sweet almond oil for upper lip, chin, and face. And it is a 2-ounce size. So you've probably seen Nair commercials for your legs and stuff like that. I don't Nair my legs. I shave them. It's just too annoying to make them grow out long enough to where the Nair would pick them up. Also, I feel like the hair on my legs is too coarse to use Nair on, and I feel the same way with my bikini area. Like Nair, they make a Nair for bikini area too, and I'm Italian, my hair is just too thick and coarse to be using Nair really on any area other than my face at this point. So you could use this anywhere on your face, doesn't really matter, it'll work wherever. I feel like it removes the hair really well. I use this once a week, and I don't have to use it more than that. I know they say like some people could go up to like 2 weeks. That's not the case for me. I have like my hair grows faster, I guess, than other people. Depends on ethnicity and stuff like that. So they have this warning on the back. Irritation or allergic reaction may occur with some people even after prior use without adverse effect. Therefore, test before each use by applying product on a small part of the area where hair is to be removed. Follow directions and wait 24 hours. If skin appears normal, proceed with full application. Do not use on irritated, sunburned, inflamed, or broken skin. Keep away from eyes. Should product touch the eyes, wash thoroughly with lukewarm water. If irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. If irritation persists, consult your physician and do not use around eyes, in nose, in ears, or on breast nipples, perianal, or vaginal genital areas. Wait 72 hours between uses. Keep out of reach of children. Ingredients: water, mineral oil, calcium thiolate, cetyl alcohol, calcium hydroxide, cetera 20, sodium hydroxide, Primus amigoalis dulcis, sweet almond oil, fragrance, and iron oxides. Very important, not tested on animals too, among depilatory products, so I think that's great. I like when products don't test on animals. And I'm sorry I butchered some of the words in the ingredients there. So Nair is the #1 hair removal brand. Nair face cream removes hair below the skin surface while moisturizing and exfoliating above. In just minutes, achieve beautiful skin that lasts. For all hair types, smooth, radiant skin, and for thorough hair removal. Distributed by Church & Dwight Co. Nair is a trademark of Church & Dwight Co. Incorporated. There's a number you could call if you have any questions, and this is on the box is the actual tube size, so it shows you before you purchase what it looks like. Then we have the directions, read the warning section, which of course we read already. Product can be used on upper lip, chin, and cheek. To apply cream, removal makeup, squeeze cream onto fingertips, smooth on a thick even layer to cover hair, do not rub in. Wash your hands immediately after application. Leave the cream on for 5 minutes, then check a small area for hair removal. So total hair removal depends on hair thickness. If the hair does not come off after 5 minutes, which it doesn't in my case, leave the cream on for a few minutes longer. Do not exceed 10 minutes of total application time. I think this is because it can make your skin red and irritated and stuff. To remove cream and hair, gently wipe off the cream and hair with a damp washcloth. I disagree because it will stain your washcloth unless your washcloth is like white. I just use like a really soft tissue or paper towel. Paper towel is better because it's a little thicker. Tissue is thin and then it can be a little messy. Once all hair has been removed, rinse skin thoroughly with lukewarm water, pat dry, and keep bottle tightly closed between uses. This of course is like the actual tube size. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can see. It has like an easy to use spout. And this is like the thickness and consistency of it. It has that Nair hair remover smell. If you guys know what that smells like, it kind of doesn't have the most pleasant smell. It's not like horrible, but it's not really pleasant either, and it's not that potent, but it just has like kind of a chemical smell to it. So I wouldn't necessarily say that it smells good, but it does the job better than the Sally Hansen one, I have to say, because I tried both. I also have tried the CVS brand one, the 360, which I used to use that one and I feel like it worked just as well. It probably had the same active ingredient or something, but it seems like that one they discontinued because I haven't been able to find it in store or online, and that would be the Beauty 360 CVS brand. So if you guys are looking for a great face cream to just remove any facial hair from upper lip, chin, and face, try Nair face cream moisturizing. Thanks for watching, guys.